Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. We have already discussed about the types of operators available in Python and we have learned about arithmetic operator in details. In this video, we gonna learn about the relational operators in Python and how we can use them. Let's start the video right now. Now I want to open my Python tutorial folder inside VS Code. For that, I will go to that folder and then right click here and then show more options. Then click here open with code. Now my current folder is open in Visual Studio Code. Okay. So now I want to clear my terminal. For that, I will go to the terminal and then press a command CLS and then press enter. You can see my terminal is cleared. So now what I do is I will create a Python file over here. For that I will go to the new file and then I will give name as tutorial 6 underscore relational operator dot py and then press enter. You can see tutorial 6 relational operator.py file is created. If the run button is not visible in the upper right corner of your VS Code, then do one thing, just click here in the extensions, then you will enter into the extension marketplace area. So you can see here so many extensions are available. So just search here for Python and you can see the Python extension will come. Just click here in the first extension. Make sure that it is from Microsoft. Okay, so just press here install. It is installing, just wait some time. So now you can see it is installed completely. Now just close it and go to the file system. Here we will learn about relational operator. Okay, so relational operator. What is relational operator? Relational operator is a operator which will give you some idea about the relationship between variables. Okay, so if I want to compare two variable, then I will use relational operator. Okay, so it will give you the idea that how two variables or two or more than variables are related to each other. Okay, so for example here, what is the relational operator available? The first is your greater than and less than, then double equals, then greater than equals, and then less than equals, and the last thing is your not equals. Okay, let's take an example. If I take x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 6, and I'll do all the operations here. So print is x greater than y. Okay, print x greater than y. Then I will just copy it and paste paste paste. Okay, okay, so now it is x is greater than y. Now I will make it x is less than y, and it is x is equals to y, and it is greater than equals to y, and it is greater than, sorry, less than equals to y, and then it is not equals to y. Okay, so if I run this file, then you can see the result. You can see all the result is coming. So the first is x is greater than y. Okay, it is coming as false. Obviously x is not greater than y, so that's why false is coming. Now x is less than y, obviously it is true, and x is equals to y, obviously x is not equals to y, that's why it is giving false. And x is greater than equals to y, obviously it is not, that's why it is giving false. And x is less than equals to y, obviously it is true, that's why it is giving true. And x is not equals to y, that's why it is giving true. Okay, These are the relational operators available in Python. So these operators are also called as comparison operators. Okay. So this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.